Tutakuwa na mashindano ya kupeleka baiskeli, labda mwaka ujao yatakuwa makubwa zaidi, lakini huu mwaka tutakuwa na mashindano madogo ya kujenga sasa kwa hilo jambo kubwa linalokuja.
We want to ensure that we collaborate with Kenya Wildlife Services, who are mandated by the law to protect these animals. We collaborate with them as a county to ensure that we restore and increase the number of Shambi antelopes in Kwale County.
I've been cycling into the serious cycling. It's been a series of about 6 years now. I love to engage in more women into cycling, especially we have that mentality in our community that women are not supposed to cycle, but it's a great initiative that I'm proposing